Hello and welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. For you today, what do I have? Canny salad. And this is an absolutely beautiful salad. It is so refreshing and it's on the skinny side. Why? Because I used yogurt. I did not use what you're supposed to use, which is mayonnaise. And this is so refreshing with the avocado, cucumbers, mango, and crab sticks. Now, this is also very low in calories, so you can take this to lunch or have a nice snack. So, now let's get going. Okay, grab your bowl, and what I'd like you to do is take your crab sticks and just pull them apart, strip them just like this. And I want you to add about half a cup to 1 cup of the crab sticks. Add about 1 cup of cucumber slices and try to slice it as fine as possible. Now add 1 large mango, peeled and chopped just like this, or you can chop it a little bit finer. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. You could get away with 2 if you would like. And now let's add 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Now this is an option. I like it spicy, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Now let's just do some mixing and more mixing. And to put it all together, about 2/3 of a cup of your favorite yogurt. Here I'm using Greek yogurt. And now let's continue to mix it until it's fully mixed. Now let's make it fancy. Grab yourself a fancy dancy bowl or your favorite bowl and start transferring it into the bowl just like this. After all, when you make a presentation and you show your friends and family that you are the ultimate chef, you have to make it look good, because looking good is part of the whole package. Are we done yet? No, we're not. Let's add about half of avocado sliced just like this. I like to put it onto one side just to make it look nicer. And now I'm adding some green onions. Very gentle on the palate. And green onions goes with everything. And now to give it that zing, about the fresh juice of half of a lime. Now I like it with a lot of lime. Some don't. So let's take some lime slices and let's put it on the 4 corners of this dish. Are we done? No, we're not. Let's give it some color and more nutrition. Let's take some chopped parsley and we'll spread that around, and this will give you the high nutrition value of this salad. Are we done yet? Are we there yet? No. Let's add some toasted sesame seeds. Put as much as you want, and this gives it an awesome flavor. So once again, we have reached the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you try this and enjoy this. And once again, I have to say goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.